What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you how to take one of these awesome $6 IKEA ponchos and add a couple features that'll make it a great biking poncho. Namely, thumb hooks and a waistband to keep it on you. And then you're going to mark where you want your thumb hooks to be. I put a little clip in my spot. Feel for your natural waist. Mine's somewhere around here. Pinch the fabric and put a clip there. So I've cut these two pieces of elastic cord. This is actually from a shoelace of one of my kids. I'm using nylon. Basically it's like a bias tape or a grosgrain ribbon. And I'm using this because it's easy to finish the ends. You would just cut it and burn it. I measured it around my waist and made sure I had enough to tie it. The thumb loops I'm going to install a little bit further back underneath. So here's my one clip for that. So I'm leaving enough fabric so that when I'm in the rain, this amount will cover my hands. So I'm going to go through this at least 3 times. Not too much in case this is the wrong location and I need to change it at a later time. And you're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So we marked the back of the cape with a clip. Hopefully mine's still there. Okay, so here's my clip. I'm going to try to find the middle of the back and make sure that I'm sewing on the webbing to the correct spot. I'm going to find the middle of this. I'm just going to tack it on, that's all. So I've just marked about 10.5 inches, and I'm using this lighter weight bias tape, the type that actually does dissolve with water. You just put it along this. This Scotch-Lite tape does stretch a little bit, so be aware of that. Remove the backing, eyeball the middle, I'm going to carefully just get the one layer that I want. Try not to sew through the front and the back of the coat. Although I would not be surprised if I still do. I'm going to lengthen my stitch length because I don't need it to be tight. I also don't want to be sewing through these, which I actually totally forgot about. Thankfully I didn't. I also don't love the shape of the hood. It feels a little bit too snug for my head. So after I ride with it in the rain and get a feel for what I like or don't like, I may go in and just cut open this seam here, or actually just release this elastic that they have sewn in. And I might alter the shape of the hood as well so that I make sure I have enough visibility peripherally. And if I do that, I might actually add a toggle of the same elastic webbing that I used for the thumb hooks so that I can tighten it or loosen it at my desire. Thanks for watching.